Hello guys, I hope you're doing all well today. We are going to look at Euro Australian dollar technical analysis today. As you may see, since a long period of time, price is moving on the daily chart with these big waves. We may see that price in the current position created a higher high, another higher high. We can see the retest of the base and it is rising up again. And also, if we are going to look at the piece of information where the price is right now, we may see that price already closed above the structure. However, it doesn't mean anything at all because the price is above the structure and it should continue to rise higher. So this is not a rule at all. We just use guidelines in trading. So I'm looking at this time in a different perspective. So the way that I'm looking at is that the chances are very high that we could be close to the end of this movement for some simple reasons. The first one is the structure that we are looking at here. Price is close to the structure, so probably this is getting ready to create any small wave close to the structure and it can move down, but it can also rise up to the second structure that is near this zone. So both of these scenarios has a higher chance to happen, all of this. Let's see which one of them will complete. However, that's not all that I'm looking at. Considering that price is moving with big waves, as you may see in this situation, I'm looking at also for these patterns here. The first one is this harmonic pattern that I'm looking at. This is a big one. And it looks like the price may complete close to 1.62 approximately. So this is the first pattern that I'm looking at. The second pattern that I'm looking at for this moment here is also this pattern. And as you may see, we are in two different positions. The problem is that the confluence of this pattern comes in line with very large structures, and that is why we have two different patterns that both are valid in the current price position. The chances are very high that we may see the beginning of any reversal close to this area. It looks very interesting. The price is still very aggressive, so we need to wait for the price to slow down within this area. It is very aggressive overall. We should wait, but the chances are very high that we may see the price to complete the patterns, and after that we may see any bearish correction. I'm not expecting anything big at all to come close to the bottom, but we may expect correction related with the patterns. For the targets that I'm looking at for this moment, I would like this small structure here, considering that we are on the daily chart. So the price has the chances to move down from this point. It is not too far away. And also the chances are very high that we may see the price to test all these zones as well. So all of these zones that are looking very small, overall these are in critical areas on the 4-hour chart. So this is a minimum expectation that I'm waiting from Euro Australian dollar. So let's see what will happen, but this is the final scenario that I'm looking at. This is the reversal zone, the potential reversal zone. And the chances are very high that we may see price to create any correction from this point. So let's see what is going to happen. So I was looking at this morning and it looks very interesting considering how the price is developing close to the top of the structure, as you may see. Some days ago I shared this analysis. Price was close to the bottom at that moment, and I will explain. It was this channel here. This was the beginning, and now we are close to the top. If we are going to see this analysis, price already reached the target, so it was a decent trade, as you may see. This was the beginning of the movement, and in the current moment we are close to the top. During the previous time I explained that these waves are big waves that are moving up and down in this way, so the chances are very high that this wave can move down again. At the current position, price is creating a type of double top pattern that it has chances to move down. However, this is not a double top, to be clear, so we are just focused on the resistance zone and the potential price development there. On the 60-minute chart, we may see that the price reaction close to the top was very aggressive, in my opinion, considering that we had bullish candles only and the chances for a bullish wave were higher. However, for the moment, we may expect the price to create any small correction probably, and it can move down again. I'm focused on two potential targets and support areas as well. This small structure zone 1.7140 and the main structure area that is here 1.7106. If price is going to be more aggressive, and I'm expecting the price to come down, the last target will be 1.7015, so somewhere close to this structure zone overall. So let's see how the market will develop, because we are ahead of very big events during this week and everything can happen. That is why we have to be also very, very careful. So that's all for Euro New Zealand. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.